Hello friends, welcome to MPP Mrethel's Pocket Phone. So friends, today I'm here with a solution. That is, if you have any problem with the functioning of your Android, you can just try out this. We are just going to reset our Android. So before we get started, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. Let's get started. Friends, to start off, let me introduce my Apple F1F. So I am going to reboot and reset my Apple F1F. So let me show you. It's quite easy, friends. So first you will have to switch off your Android device. So I'm going to switch it off. Yep. So now you will have to click the volume down button and the power button together. And now you can leave it. Now the logo has popped up. And then you'll be directed to a page like this. Over here you can choose a suitable language. I'm going to choose English. Then you'll have to click on reboot and click OK. Then finally, your mobile will restart. Now my Android is back to good condition. It is one of the ways of recovering your Android. That's it for today, friends. I am sure that you all enjoyed this video. Until the next video, stay tuned, and until then, signing off, Mrethul Aditya and Mrethel's Pocket Phone.